Mr. Chair, Mr. Chair, excuse me. Mr. Chair, because the last time I was here, I was only allowed 2 questions by you. And yet, mga kasamahan ko rito, bilang respeto sa mga kasamahan ko, they were allowed na 1 to sawa. Dapat maging fair ka, Mr. Chair. Pag sinabi mong 2 questions, 2 minutes talaga, you have to stick with it.
Nice.
You're not being fair, Mr. Chair.
I am fair kasi nandito ka sa...
No, kasi nung last time, sabi mo sa akin, 2 questions lamang. Sabi mo 1 question. Sabi ko, tinitipid mo ako, sabi mo 2 questions. And now, pinapayagan mo kahit na ilang questions. Be fair, Mr. Chair.
Yes! 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 Yes!
Teka muna, bago tayo magkaroon ng impression na walang fair dito. Noon, sinabi ko na in the earliest statement na nag-uumpisa tayo noon at kinakailangan nating mabakate ang plenary at exactly 2:15, kaya tayo nagmadali.
Pwede na!
Kaya naman sabi ko sa inyo, pasensya na muna. Ngayon, sa dami ng gustong magtanong, kaya binigyan natin ng tigpa 5 minutes ngayon. Kaya lang, I am following a schedule here. Ito pa yung nandito kung wala na si Senator Marcos, tapos ka na.
Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chairman,
Chair,
I
akala ko
made
po
a
ako
motion,
yung sunod
Mr.
kay
Chairman.
Senator
I have
De La
a pending motion, Mr. Chair.
I second the motion.
And
Hindi,
duly
kasi
seconded, Mr.
tapusin
Chair.
muna natin yung bitin na kasi hindi tayo, na para tayo nagpapatintero, Madam Kowa